Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya Hlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack Ed Madlanga. Madlanga, guys, it's a bit much. Yeah. I hate Brown Mohot. Kushuket Matlala. I feel like if at the same time he was used by Brown Mohot. And I had said at the end of the day, Ket Matlala, hey, I spoil yala bantu, most yabo. Especially Usbi. I really believe it. General Shedrack Josephus B was one of the people ogwagui aspo yakhe Pretoria Gailo uJohn Wick. Hey futhi yabo kuningi bese kuba ile halo yaka Ket Matlala loud. Oh my gosh, that lady, she is way too much to a point where no SC Khumalo ugcina semphoxa simtshela wethu get off. I wasn't even talking to you. She's all over the place, that lady. And the highlights I hate Brown Mohotsi, and Maumela is actually my friend. I was just like, wow. What I'm picking up is that Ket Matlala doesn't want to incriminate himself too much. And I think he should have been called much earlier. You know, the no sinona, your Zesibia. But in a way, I feel he's still gonna tell us exactly who is the cartel. Like I'm saying, I just feel like he was a nice boy, Ndanabantu. And maybe for him, in Medicare 24 was not necessarily or anything like that. Or he's still gonna tell us they should actually be arrested. But I have a hunch Shedrack Spear will be arrested eventually. Apparently, the other SAPS members that 11, sometimes 11, sometimes 13, sometimes 16, that were involved in Medicare 24. Most of them are actually back at work this week. That's why they should have started with him at Madlanga instead of bringing us Osinona and all of those people. And it's still sketchy also around Indaba yakhe nomculo, because he's just like, hey, mina ngimazilwa umuntu. I don't know the person. Why do you keep on forcing this person down my road? So kuningi guys, uyazi lento leyo. I'm saying ukuthi sisazozwa kahle. Nje he's a bit bored. Yeah, it's just like, I'm already arrested, so what are you gonna do? Like, it's like whatever. When he's talking to even Taj Madlanga, just imagine. You guys, you ask yourself, why did he involve himself in these things, and saying that he is actually an informer, my police ministers and all of that. This guy. Is the same person who said, General Mkwanazi, he works for CIA. Guys, like, I even said, when I was still trying to understand the I even said he watches too many movies. This guy, he's a bit mad. Buga manje where he ended. Could have just shut his mouth. At some stage he was writing WhatsApps to General Mkwanazi. Who even does that?
Mr. Msibi.
Oh yes, okay. Thank you. And you met him in 2019, you said?
I'm saying maybe 2020, 2021.
19 to 21, thereabout.
These people from the PKTT, and I'm being used as a tool to fight that unit.
And did you then follow up with laying a charge with IPID?
No, I sent him a message. I said to him, because he said my wife was assaulted, and then I must. But in IP they wanted J88. I said to him, no, my wife does not want to do that. So then I did not do it anyway.
Your wife doesn't want to file a J88, or
She
you're saying your wife
refused.
say she's not assaulted, which
Yeah.
is which?
Say that again?
Is the point that your wife didn't because she wasn't assaulted and therefore did not want to file a J88, or that she just did not want to start this process of completing and filing a J88?
She was not assaulted, but she was, I would say she was assaulted, but not, they were poking her with a rifle on her shoulder.
Yes.
So here, she had bruises here.
Okay.
In law, that would be an assault.
Yes.
And that was in the second of her straight?
The second one.
Okay. But you didn't end up opening that case of assault?
I didn't open it because, Commissioner, like I said, I have realized that the person who's helping me, but it looked like I was the one who was helping him actually, because he was pushing it more than I wanted to. So I did not do it.
Did you get an understanding of what you could have been helping him with?
That was something which I did not understand by then.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Do you currently maintain a relationship with Mr. Mokgotsi? If not, when did it terminate, and what was the basis?
No, I don't have. I actually hate him.
Why, if I may inquire, as a matter of
He
interest?
caused a lot of problems for me.
Yeah. When did this relationship end, as far as you're concerned?
After my arrest?
The 2025 arrest?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been in, because the notice required any communication you may have had with any of these individuals identified. Have you had direct communication with Mr. Mokgotsi before you were arrested, but after you no longer liked him as much?
Yes.
When did I want to understand, when did your communication terminate, if it did, and not by reason of your arrest?
I did not terminate him. I did not terminate the relationship, but
Yeah.
he was not. We were not the best of buddies because of what he was doing. I knew what he was doing, but because of what Mr. Taylor said, I just kept him close.